welcome to a Belgrade State Bank tutorial. In this short video, I will be showing you how to open an account online. The first thing you need to do is open your internet browser. We recommend Google Chrome. You could also use Microsoft Edge or Safari. Either way, you'll need to go to your URL bar, put in belgradestatebank.com and hit enter. Then go to the top right where you'll see an apply for an account button. Click that. It should bring up this page here. You'll use this first drop-down menu to select the kind of account you want. You need to go through after that and fill out all the information. At the bottom, click the security code box and then hit submit. After that, a new account representative will contact you and ask a few more follow-up questions. And then at some point, you will have to go to the drive-through window at your local branch and show a photo ID to finish the process. But this takes care of most of the work for you. It helps keep our people safe, keep you safe, and you can do pretty much everything from the comfort of your own home. So thank you for being a customer with Belgrade State Bank, a wise place to do business. And that's how you open an account online.